Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a bit random. It is Monday morning. I didn't get to clean the kitchen the night before because I had to braid the girls' hair, and I had a lot to do, and I was just extremely tired. So I went to bed. We didn't cook. We ended up ordering pizza late that night, because I think we ordered it and went and picked it up after 11 that night. So we had pizza left over in the fridge, all those packages that need to be tackled. So I'm gonna try and get as much as I can done before it's time to wake my daughter up and get her ready for school. I'm gonna do the kitchen. I want to cook dinner because I want to hopefully go back and take a nap, and then when I wake up, dinner should be done. So let's see how much I can get done now. And my husband is extremely serious about his weight loss journey. So those are his ginger water on the stove that I'm not going to touch because he needs to put them. I think he wants to pour them because he just pours it and drink. He boils it, pours it, and drink it just like that. So that's his water. I'm just going to leave it right there.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Look the other way. Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I knew.
Rice and oxtail for dinner, and I'm prepping the oxtail now. I'm gonna season it and put it in the refrigerator to marinate a bit. And then once I finish cleaning the kitchen, I put it in the crock pot and let it cook while I go back and take a nap. Yeah, so by the time the girls Tiana gets from school and I'm back up, dinner will be ready. In case you guys missed my Temu haul, I'm gonna leave a link. You guys can check it out. I got this over the cabinet door hanger and the soap dispenser and a few other stuff I got from Temu that I'll be using in this video. So guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day, week, month, and a fabulous year. I love y'all.